In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a user from a Meta Facebook Ads Manager account 5 minutes. Before we begin, a quick heads up, you need admin access on the ad account to remove someone. If you don't have admin permission, the option to remove a user won't appear, so you may need to ask an existing admin to update your role first. Start by opening your browser and heading to Facebook Ads Manager. You can search for Facebook Ads Manager and click the official link or go directly to the Business Tools page. On that landing page, select Go to Ads Manager. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to log in. Enter your account email and password, then click Login to continue. If you use two-factor authentication, have your code ready so you can move through the prompt quickly. Once you're in, you'll land on the campaigns dashboard. This is where you typically manage campaigns, ad sets, and ads. From here, look for ad account settings. You may see a gear icon or settings option in the navigation. Click it to open the ad account setup area. On the ad account setup page, you'll find controls for billing, notifications, and user access. Scroll down until you see ad account roles. This section lists everyone who currently has access, along with their role, such as admin, advertiser, or analyst. Take a moment to confirm you're viewing the correct ad account, especially if you manage multiple accounts. Find the person you want to remove. If the list is long, use any available search or filters to locate them quickly. Double check that you've selected the correct user to avoid removing the wrong person, especially if there are similar names. When you're ready, select Remove User next to their name. A confirmation prompt may appear. Confirm the removal to finalize the change. Once removed, that person immediately loses access to the ad account and will no longer be able to create, edit, or view campaigns tied to it. If you don't see the Remove User option, it usually means your role isn't admin on this ad account or you're viewing a different workspace than intended. Switch to the right ad account or contact an admin to adjust your permissions. That's it. You've successfully removed a user from your Meta Facebook Ads Manager account. As a best practice, review your ad account roles periodically to keep access current and secure and document changes for your team's records. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.